What do you think brand marketers are still getting wrong about experiential?
If you're like, oh, let's get people in the room so we can talk about us, I mean, would you really want to be in that room?
Yeah.
It's like they treat you as a title before treating you as a human. Wow.
Ça marche?
A lot of times you think about experiential marketing, and that's really kind of a fireworks show. What these people are really creating with experience is more like a campfire.
Traditionally, a lot of events are really focused on wowing an audience, where the framework for generative experience is that we want to empower an audience.
Our experiential strategy is always to get people creating, making, not necessarily just nodding heads.
How do you give your audience control? Which can be a little scary, right? Having them actually generate the experience themselves.
C'est quand on bouscule un peu l'ordre établi que d'un coup on peut voir différemment. N'oublions jamais que le spectacle vivant, c'est la célébration de notre humanité partagée.
Did we just live that? Yes, we did. We don't know each other, but we'll connect on it because it's so unexpected.
And then you have an experience together, which I think forms a bigger bond. I think it really changes people and it opens them up in a way that you can't do in other ways.
Unexpected create moments of connection, so we need to give that to the participant.
The role of digital and experiential, you have to kind of approach it from a warm, human, inviting way.
All these different digital layers added onto that deeply human aspect of connecting IRL through experiential is just going to make it feel more expansive.
If you do create context for meaningful connections to happen, we believe that the impact they will generate, economic, societal, personal, is going to be so much bigger.
How are we moving the business forward? How much engagement are we getting in terms of participation? And how much connection are we creating at those events between participants?
The experience economy is truly well and alive and thriving.
Let's get back doing something fully experiential that we feel in our guts that's going to get people really excited about your brand.
That's why you show up. You.